Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ademola Badmos. If this is your first time, please remember to like and subscribe, especially if you find this video helpful. We will be talking about Java and Selenium, and we are going to get right into it. We will be needing 4 tools in order to be able to do this. We will be needing Selenium. They are not all of them are tools, but you get the idea. We need 4 things. Let's put it that way. We need Selenium, we need Java, we need an IDE, and we need a WebDriver of choice. But we are going to start with Java. In the next video, we'll talk about how to download and install Java. I will not go through the practical process of showing you how to install it, but I will share a documentation on the Java website that would guide you through it for a Windows system and also for a Mac system. Then after that, we will talk about writing some codes and showing the structure of the Java construct, because it is important for you to understand, at least to have a basic understanding of Java language before you can use it to automate conveniently. So you would not spend perpetual time in the fake it till you make it phase, because you will understand what you're trying to do with the language, such that if you have an error and it's probably a data type error or it's some kind of error, you can understand what you've done wrong in your code rather than be looking for a solution that is probably just an easy fix. Now, having said that, the next thing we are going to do after that is set up a Chrome driver and set it to our path. In that particular video, it will be split into two, because it is a different, there are different ways you do that on a Windows system, and it is actually different from the way you do it on a Mac system. Then afterwards, we will introduce Selenium. But in order to introduce Selenium, we will introduce Selenium using the Maven framework. That's the approach we're going to use. The idea of this whole video is to introduce you to how to automate using Selenium and Java. There are several ways. In the past, you could import your libraries and your jar files in order to use Selenium. But the easiest and the most convenient way now is using the Maven approach, which is very, very good. Very good and very easy. So, with that being said, this is just the summary of the whole video on a high level. During the course of the videos, the things I've talked about can come in like 2 or 3 videos or more. But please sit tight and relax, and please hit the like button, and also share this video if you find it helpful, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.